Shimzi. Axis Bank came out with a disappointing set of numbers. Slippages from the watch list continue to remain elevated. We spoke with the management earlier in the day and they have guided for muted earnings for the next 2 quarters as well. Let's listen in.
An environment of a little bit more uncertainty around what might be the eventual slippage from this watch list. What we think right now is that we are going to see a significant deterioration on the watch list numbers, slippage from the watch list numbers. As you have seen, we have taken a little bit of a bitter pill already in Q2 by taking a pretty significant part of the watch list and having them as NPAs. Some more pain is left in that. Now, from a timing perspective, whether all of that will come in the remaining 2 quarters or whether it might happen in the remaining in the next 4 quarters or thereabouts, that we'll need to see. It is our expectation that financial year 17 is the peak of this credit cycle. And within financial year 17, if you look at slippages, the slippages that we saw in Q2 from a quarterly basis were more likely the peak of quarterly slippages. Think about this as gross NPA is about how much slippages get added to the NPA book, and is that any faster than the rate at which your underlying advances book is growing, right? For the next few quarters, the addition of slippages into the book is going to continue to be fairly high, right? And much higher than the 18% annualized rate at which book growth is actually happening.
For Axis Bank, the